Don't quote me on that. It's heavy on the X's today. Much like my life. Well, hopefully I'll live to regret this. Virgin. I really am death incarnate. I mean, I shall stop interrupting my sense. Jesus Christ, get your tongue in gear. That's what she said. I can never get enough balls of steel. I'll see if I can Jesus. And you can quote me on that. Right, call me a doofus. Oh, good, yeah. I like to be itemized whenever possible. Yeah, I'll take all the puberty I can get. I very much like their hillsides, but holy water sucks. I think we're clawing. Don't be like me. Cancer, I love it. Oh, their tears are getting caught up in my ring. Let's see if we can get up to double digits next episode. That's what she said. I am, after all, the best Isaac player the world has ever seen. You can teach an old doge new tricks. I disagree. I think it's a fantastic night to have a curse. I can't even right now. Okay, gurglings is fine. It's a long time since I Frenched. You can When it comes to Jar Jar Binks grammar, I will cheerfully be a grammar Nazi. 2 spirit hearts at the end of this we'll be getting. I guess I pop off those fires rather quickly. You will all soon rest in the cold fastness of the crypt. And there's a strange comfort to be found in that. Do not fire rocket launchers in confined spaces, and you can quote me on that. By money I mean soul hearts. So I guess you can be strategic about where you want to put it. That's what she said. Dun dun dun. Ah! And just like that, in a moment of forgetfulness, Commodore plays himself again. Nya. Oh, Jesus! Thinking with the old brain box. It's my preferred organ of thinking. Yeah, get in. What all is there still to be doings? Hail Gloriana. Hey, give me more things. See if I care. That was entirely little Stephen there. Doing me the good stuff. So, whoever we're fighting would probably be a good there. Use the force, Harry. Meme.jpg. Thank you, baby Jesus. Ooh, no. Right, to get the I was about to say never tried to be clever. Get good, scrub. I'm a special human being. As a bit of a tight squidge, I'd really like to blow up a barrel in your face. That's a pretty good outcome. Better than you would generally expect for a couple of pills. Including in real life. I'm thinking with the old Cephal or something. This dude should be, yeah, that's Spanish. I'm just quietly going mad over here. I hereby give you permission to assume my gender. So the sunbathing transformation. Yeah. I do like needless risk, especially when it brings no benefits. I almost decided to pop the old, oh god, no. I mean, this is actually speed ups are nice.